Hello, how are you today? I am going to show you on this video one of the scrapbook kits that I've got in the shop, and this one's called Frost and Flakes. Now remember, you can also always see close-up pictures of it by going over to the website memoriesandphotos.co.uk and click on shop and Scrapbox kits, and you'll find it in there. It's called Frost and Flakes. They're always while stocks last. I only make so many, they're limited edition, and they always go to my Scrapbox Club members first. Any that are left over then go in the shop. So if you want to guarantee yours, have a look at the Scrapbox Club and see whether it might be worth you joining. Remember, Scrapbox Club members get extra things inside their kits, and they also get 10% off everything in the shop amongst other perks. That includes 10% off residential weekends. So hop over and have a look when you've watched the video. Right, here we go. So I'm going to show you the, as in time-honoured tradition of my videos, I'll show you the printed papers first. So this one, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got a glittery finish to it. So there's 2 pages of each of these. We have stars. These are abstract. I think they're kind of glittery, what you get from lights in the rain, whatever you call that. Someone will probably tell me. And this one is kind of weathered wood effect with stars on it. And we have snowflakes on really beautiful dark blue. We have some abstract diagonals in blues and greys. And finally, I think these are my favourite, kind of circles dripping down the page. Doesn't that look good? So that's all the printed papers. I like to give you enough so that you should be able to do 10 double page layouts, 12 by 12 size. So I also give you some cardstock as well. So we have blue, dark blue. I've also got a nice grey that coordinates with the printed papers. Black. It works well. Believe me, it works well with these papers. And white. And also some light blue. So that should give you plenty to be going on with. But, of course, we need to add the embellishments because I want to give you everything you need so that you do not have to go off looking around for coordinating embellishments and effects for your pages. So I've also got for you a pack of ribbon and some little winter wreaths. And you can adapt these as you want. You can paint them, you can glitter them, you can use pens on them, whatever you would like, or leave them as they are. There's 2 little bonus wreaths, bonus snowflakes. There's a letter stencil on this one, and because you need it to use with your stencil, a Sakura white jelly roll pen. This is also great for doing hand-drawn embellishments on your pages and for journaling on dark coloured cardstock. So this would look great on the dark blue or the black when you're journaling. And finally, I have for you a snowflake cutting die, 2 snowflake clear stamps, and some mini snowflake clear stamps. There you go. So that's everything that's in the kit. Oh, you also get a page layout sketch as well so that you can hit the ground running and you don't have to think about too much about designs or anything like that. So just to get you going. So that's everything in the kit. As I say, if you want to have a closer look, go over to memoriesandphotos.co.uk. Check out the shop under Scrapbox kits, and this one is Frost and Flakes. And I will see you again very soon. So in the meantime, happy scrapping. Bye-bye.